In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly mark up a shot, highlight something on screen, or sketch directly over a clip while you review your edit, DaVinci Resolve has a simple built-in tool that lets you do exactly that. This is especially useful for giving visual feedback, pointing out details, or explaining changes during playback without needing to leave your timeline. To get started, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is where all of your edited clips are arranged, and it's the easiest place to choose the exact shot you want to work with. Once you're there, click on the clip you want to draw on. Make sure you select the correct clip first because your annotation will be used while you're viewing that part of the timeline. After selecting the clip, look over at the playback viewer. This is the window where you preview your video. Along that viewer, you'll see a row of tools. These controls give you access to different viewer options, and one of them is where the drawing feature is hidden. In that row of tools, click the icon with the downward arrow. This opens a small menu with additional options related to the viewer. From that menu, click Annotate. As soon as you do that, the annotation tool becomes active and you can start drawing directly on the clip in the playback viewer. That's it, you can now draw on that clip. A helpful thing to keep in mind is that this feature is mainly used for visual notes and review purposes, so it's great when you want to communicate clearly during editing. If you're demonstrating changes to someone else, this can save time because you can literally draw attention to the exact area you're talking about. When using it, try to keep your drawings simple and clear so they're easy to understand on screen. Short marks, circles, arrows, or quick highlights usually work better than overly detailed sketches, especially if the clip is moving. So again, the process is simple. Go to your timeline, select the clip you want, go to the playback viewer, click the downward arrow in the tool row, and choose Annotate. Once that's enabled, you can draw directly over the clip, and that's how to draw in DaVinci Resolve.